Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video, and today I've got an Invicta in the box that I'm going to go over. But before I get started, I just wanted to say thank you so much to all my current subscribers. You guys are the best. I do appreciate everything you do, all your comments, like, subscribe, everything that you do, all the interaction with the channel. It all helps out, and you guys don't know how much I appreciate that, so thank you all so much. If you are new to this channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you like that concept, please make sure you do give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, as it always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of these watches that I do review here and provide affiliate links so you can head on over and pick them up and wear them for yourselves. So, without further ado, let's get into this watch. Today I have something special. I've got an Invicta Pro Aviator 19173. This is an absolutely stunning watch for any pilot, sport pilot, professional pilot, any aviator, or anyone interested in aviation. It is a wonderful looking watch. It does have the elements, all the elements of a gauge cluster on an airplane. It's very well designed. According to the Invicta website, this is supposed to be designed honoring the aeronautical geographical history. So they did go out of their way to make this look as very akin to an airplane as they could. It does have the compass on the dial, on the bezel. There is no moving bezel on it, but it does have that northeast southwest look on the outer skirts of the dial. Very wonderful watch the way it is designed. It is a 48 millimeter case, but it's got this dual tone, guys. It's very nice. It's got like a blued steel with the Invicta stamping on the side and a gold, and it almost looks like it's been inserted into it's like almost like a two-part case. It's very nice, very nicely designed. Very strong bracelet on this thing. It's nice and tight. There's really no movement. It does have the pressed trifold clasp with the safety. Very nice. Very nice design with the Invicta stamped on the actual outside of the clasp. Wonderful watch. Does boast 100 meters of water resistance, so it's good for swimming, or you don't have to worry about it if you get it wet. Really nice etching on the back, case back. It does have a screw down case back. This is just a great quality watch, and it's got a great price attached to it, guys. This watch is a quartz movement with a flame fusion crystal. Like I said before, 100 meters of water resistant. This is just a wonderful watch with its date format over in the 3 o'clock position. Everything sets nice and smoothly. Like even turning this dial is very smooth. There's no hang-ups or stutters in any of the movement of this watch. And all of the subdials, they're not just for show, guys. They're actually working subdials. So they all do what they're supposed to do. Just a very nice looking watch all around, especially if you're a pilot or somebody that's interested in planes. This is just a great looking watch all around. The price on this watch, believe it or not, you guys can pick this thing up. You'd think, the MSRP on this thing is $300. And I'd say you'd look at this watch and say, yeah, it's probably a $300 watch. But honestly, guys, right now you can pick this watch up for $100. It's around $100 on Amazon right now, and I will post a link to that in the description below so you guys can click on it and head on over and pick one up if you are interested in an aviator watch that looks like this. And honestly, I'm going to have to say, out of all of the aviator type watches that I've purchased, this one is probably the most closely related aviator style dial that I've seen. So I mean, I would definitely call this a pilot's watch. This is a great watch. Something that you'd love to have on your wrist if you are flying a plane. Once again, it is the Invicta 19173 Aviator Pro Aviator. And like I said before, quartz movement, flame fusion crystal, 100 meters of water resistant. The design is honoring the aeronautical geographic history. 48 millimeter case with the two-tone with the blue and the gold. It is a little bit on the large side, just like most of the Invicta watches are, but it does fit surprisingly well for something so large. Once again, you know, Invicta does a great job with their watches. You know, look at that. I mean, that just fits really, really well on the wrist, even though it's so large. And it's a stunning look. Like, this is something that people are going to notice from a distance. They're gonna notice that this is not your average watch. This is just a great looking watch. It does have that domed flame fusion crystal, and it's just such a stunning look. I mean, I can't say enough nice things about this watch. Now, I'm not sponsored by Invicta. I'm not sponsored by any of these watch companies. I just tell you how it is. I'm just a guy. I'm not a jeweler. I'm just a guy. I like my watches. I like to buy them, I like to wear them, and I like to review them. And I'm just going to tell you the honest truth about these watches. And if I didn't like this watch, I would tell you. But honestly, I really do like this watch a lot. It's a great watch. I love Invictas. I have a few Invictas. They're all on the large side, but they are great watches, and I do not hesitate to buy an Invicta. They are just a good quality watch for a great price. And like I said before, you can get this for around $100. It does have an MSRP of $300, but you can get it for a third of the price right now if you head on over to Amazon. Click on that link below. I would definitely appreciate it. It is an affiliate link, so it does help out the channel. And if you are new to this channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, and post a comment. Let me know. Do you guys like it? Do you guys hate it? What do you think about this watch? Is it too big? Is it gaudy? Is it nice? What do you think? I want to know what you think about this watch. There's also an option to join and support the channel in real time. If you click that join button, you'll see our membership options. And you can also do a super thanks right down in the corner there if you found this content helpful and you want to help support the channel. So once again, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would appreciate the thumbs up. Liking and subscribing always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of the watches that I do review here and provide affiliate links so you can head on over and pick them up and wear them for yourself. So once again, I am Dave the Watchman, and I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. You guys all have a great week.